Hello everybody, this is my new fire shield panel from EST I got, and let's take a look inside. As you can see, it has the wrong date and time. I don't know how to program that. Look at the manual, and apparently it doesn't really help me that much. Okay, let's take a look inside. Here we have all the indicators, and here's the five zones and the two NAC indicators. All the buttons to disable them. We have panel silence, signal silence and drill, reset, walk test, and remote disconnect. If you press remote disconnect and walk test at the same time, it will test all the LEDs. So let's test that right now. Just like a Christmas tree. Here we have all the relays. I'm not sure if you can see it that well. And then the communications to the remote annunciator right there. Here's where the voltage comes in. This is the two NAC circuits, which when you press drill doesn't work as usual. I'm trying to press it now. Oh wait, there it goes. The strobes are set for temporal, which means it goes count 333. I guess you have to press and hold the button. Here's all the circuits for what is believed to be the pull stations. I'm not quite sure. I'd have to look at the manual. And here's the batteries. And then here you have all the circuit outlined for all the circuitry. Smoke detectors, pull stations, remote modules, and remote relay wiring. How to hook up the live wires to the power supply. Then the model, what model it is. And that's pretty much it. I'm still waiting for some speakers to come in, and that would be it. I plan to buy more smoke detectors, but I have a smoke detector with me. This one right here. I don't remember the model number off the top of my head. Hold on, let me check. It's the Mirtone smoke detector, photoelectric smoke detector 73575U. So I plan to hook that up soon, and then I'm going to test the smoke detector, so that should be my next video. So yeah, and that's it.